What's the meaning of computational linguistics? Computational linguistics. Computational linguistics.
Computational linguistics. Computational linguistics. Computational linguistics is the field of study that focuses on the development of computational algorithms and models to aid in the understanding and processing of human language. It involves using computer science, linguistics, and artificial intelligence to analyze and generate natural language. The goal is to enable machines to communicate with humans in an intelligent and meaningful way. By applying mathematical and statistical methods to linguistic data, computational linguistics can assist in tasks such as language translation, text-to-speech conversion, and sentiment analysis.